Have you ever stopped to ponder why it's easier to glide through a river than to battle the waves of an ocean? Well, there are a few scientific reasons that explain this fascinating phenomenon. Firstly, let us dive into the concept of buoyancy. Buoyancy refers to an object's ability to float in a fluid. In the context of swimming, the fluid would be the water in which you are swimming. The saltier the water, the greater the buoyancy. Oceans with their high salt content should theoretically offer greater buoyancy than rivers. However, the story doesn't end here. The second factor we need to consider is the water's movement. In a river, the water generally flows in a single direction. This current can assist swimmers, helping them move faster and with less effort, especially if they are swimming downstream. Contrarily, the ocean is a different beast. Its waves are unpredictable, moving in different directions and often against the swimmer. This unpredictability makes swimming in the ocean more challenging. The third element in our discussion is the temperature of the water. Rivers, being smaller and shallower, tend to have warmer water. Warmer water is less dense, making it easier for swimmers to stay afloat. In contrast, the vast and deep ocean retains cold temperatures, increasing the water's density and making swimming more strenuous. Lastly, let's not forget about the creatures that call these bodies of water home. Rivers typically have smaller, less aggressive wildlife than oceans. The fear of encountering a shark or jellyfish can make swimming in the ocean a daunting task. In summary, while the ocean's salinity may offer greater buoyancy, the river's unidirectional current, warmer water, and less intimidating wildlife make it a more swimmer-friendly environment. The ocean, with its unpredictable waves, colder temperatures, and potential for dangerous wildlife encounters, presents a more challenging swimming experience. So the next time you slip into a river's gentle current, remember the science that's working in your favor, making your swim a little easier and a lot more enjoyable.